Can you tell why this is called transformer?
Increase or decrease the voltage.
Okay. So this I'm supplying to 220 volt. Okay. How do meter आप प्रभु digital and this supply is coming here multimeter. It is too dangerous to deal with this. Okay, 220 volt. So I'll show with this. This kept in 600 volt range. Okay, and I'll put it here. It shows 246 volt. Do you get it? Hello? Okay. Now, if I tilt it here, you can see here that this center wire comes here. So I'll put one end here and another here. It should have showed. This transformer is not working.
ऊपर मारा दो, ऊपर डायरेक्ट मारा दो, नहीं करता.
Manual. It should show. Use this. No.
ऊपर ही करो. इसमें डालेगा शायद.
हाँ लगा दो. और बताओ सर प्राइमरी में तो बता रहा वोल्टेज 246
સ્વિચ બીચ પાડવાની છે, આ બે જોઈન્ટ કરવાના છે.
नहीं ट्रांसफॉर्मर खराब થઈ ગયું છે. हाँ
વાયર છૂટો હોય એવું નહીં.
नहीं કાઢી નાખવાની.
ગાડી અહીંથી ચેક કરો તો સાહેબ
हाँ
ડાયરેક્ટ.
ના મને છે ને continuity
ચાલુ
ટ્રાન્સફોર્મર ઉડી ગયું છે.
પૂરી ગયું.
ઉડી ગયું છે.
બોલો.
હવે છે
આવે છે.
let us see. Now what I was been doing, I am checking the continuity. It should have shown voltage for in this range.
અગલે કાઢો પણ.
Yes. Hello. Recording is going on, yeah. And now we'll do one thing. Unkhol now. Now see, how will I come to know that this transformer is working or not? So I'll show you that how it looks like. So there will be two coil. One is called primary coil. It is wound like this. So basically it is copper wire. Same way secondary there is wire. So here we are providing 220 volts to primary, and from secondary we are getting 9 volt or 18 volt, depends upon the transformer. Now what is happening here, that why it is called transformer? So it transforms high voltage at primary to low voltage at secondary, nothing else, only high voltage is made, low voltage, so it is called transformer. But basically basic construction involves there are so many number of tons of copper wire which constructs primary coil. So now this transformer is not working, so there is simple logic to check it. If this is primary coil where I am supplying 220 volt connected to this probe, right, these are the two terminals. Okay, what I'll do, I'll check, I'll put this in ohm meter mode. Okay, this is in ohm meter mode, and if I put it here, it should show some reading. If reading is shown, it means transformer is working, primary is okay. It is not showing, see. Okay, so again one more check, I'll break it. Now this is the primary. I'll clean up the wire. Okay, and then again I'll connect with this. Okay, it is not showing anything. It doesn't show any reading. Had there been some current flowing through this primary coil inside this, it should have showed any reading other than 1. 1 means no current is able to pass. It means this coil is damaged from inside. Primary coil is damaged. Okay. Transformer छोटू पार्ट खाली ट्रांसफार्मर है. So Dharmendra sir is removing the transformer and then we'll break open the transformer. Okay. अभी भी हो रहा है. Okay. Now this is construction of a transformer. By the way, let me repeat, what is the use of transformer? Hello? Your charger, yes, let's say you want to make a homemade charger for your mobile. Mobile runs on charger is of 3.7 volt, whereas your plug supplies 220 volt AC. So somewhere you have to convert 220 volt AC into 3.7 volt. So for that you will need a step down transformer. Actually it is never done like that. It goes through various other processes, but this is a rough way to explain. Or let's say ચલો બલ્બ આપો છો આપણો પેલો બલ્બ છે ને this is 12 volt bulb. Okay, it is bike bulb, side indicator bulb. It runs on 12 volt. Okay, now if I want to make it glow in my home, then between these two ends I have to provide 12 volt. If I plug it directly in our wall outlet, it is designed to take potential difference of 12 volt. If you provide 220 volt, it's not going to work. Okay, it will immediately fuse. So what you need to do is to convert 220 volt into 12 volt. To be more precise, AC, this is also AC. And with whose help you will do it? Transformer. It transforms high voltage to low, and reverse is also true. It can make low voltage high also. Pictorial it may look like this. This was very high voltage, and at primary you are supplying high voltage, but at secondary coil you will find less voltage. So what is transform? The waveform. So this was here V equal to 220 volt. Here V becomes 12 volt. So high voltage is transformed to low voltage, right? Okay, now we have got this transformer here. Okay, screwdriver. बोलो
છૂટું પાડું
what Dharmendra sir is removing is the casing of it. Okay. Plus it is having one jacket. I am removing it. This portion is gone. Okay. Now you can see there are copper plates, iron plates are here. Right? What we need to do is remove these plates. Okay. So what kind of plates we expect to come out? So just have a look here. There is an E-shaped plate here. Okay. And there is one more I-shaped. On top of it there will be this way I-shaped plate. On an opposite side I-shaped, E and I. Right? These are stacked one over another, so it looks like this. Okay. And between these winding is made. Okay, so we need to remove this, and for that we need to use brute force. So just hold on till will stool पर રાખીને છે ને અને તોડવું પડશે. સો just all of you hold on.
રૂમ પર રાખી અહીં આગળ લાવું અહીં
ના ત્યાં જ રાખો, હું એ બાજુ આવું છું. હં? હવે છે ને ખાલી કેમેરો પકડો. કેમેરો સ્ટેડી બને એટલું સ્ટેડી રાખજો. એક આવે અહીંયા પકડો, પકડે
પાછળથી પકડો બેસી જાઓ
આવી રીતના પકડે.
આંગળી લાવે પાછળ સાઈડ પકડો પાછળ
તને વાગશે નહીં.
ચપટી ભરાય ને
નહીં થોડુંક આગળ આ પ્લેટ કાઢવાની છે.
છોકરાઓને બતાવવાનું છે.
શરૂઆતની પ્લેટમાં છે ને તકલીફ પડશે.
પછી વાંધો નહીં છે.
ઓકે now see આ પ્લેટ બતાવો. ઓકે वन आई शेप निकला. हाँ this is shape and this is I shape. Okay.
મસ્ત ખરું તોડ્યું
નથી ખાતા. Now other plates could be removed easily. See? Fine. ટ્રાન્સફોર્મર એ ઉડી ગયેલું જ હતું. ઓકે
સુધી વાળ્યું
so this is I shape coming out. Yeah. हाँ अभी दैट्स माय नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. इतने सारे लेयर क्यों हैं? इतना मगजमारी क्यों किया? एडी करंट्स नहीं होंगे ना. व्हाट दे डू, एक ये ई शेप है राइट, ये पूरा नहीं बनाया, अदरवाइज एडी करंट्स विल फॉर्म लूप. इसके ऊपर they'll put one more like this. उसके सामने की साइड पे एक आई शेप वाला रहा, वापस एक और ई शेप वाला कट निकालना पड़ेगा इसमें से.
કાઢું શું કરવું છે
ઈ શેપ કાઢવાનો છે.
निकल गया. So this is coming out. Then one more E shape like that. Then opposite to that like this. This is how it is stacked. Okay. Camera में देखिए. See, now you got a circular coil, rectangular coil. Do you get it? This is primary coil. Generally, transformer will have two ends, but this is called center tap transformer. Okay. So what is the benefit? They put one like this, right? And then I shape here, and then from this side they put one more opposite E, then one from this side, one from opposite side. This is how transformer is made. Now let's see what's there inside this. So now we'll remove this sticker and plastic.
કટર મારો
कटरा पर खोला ये नहीं खोल.
તેની અચ્છા
See, okay, one more tap is there. हाँ, ये टैप भी गया. Okay, this is primary winding. Okay, ये सेकेंडरी का इधर आ गया. नहीं, ये सेकेंडरी का है पूरा. पहले कॉइल जो निकलेगा वो सेकेंडरी का निकलेगा ऐसा लगता है. अगेन देयर इज वन मोर लेयर. Now see, you can see the coil now. Video is freezing. Okay. So this is secondary coil winding. Okay. और यहाँ पर है प्राइमरी कॉइल. अभी इसको हम खोलेंगे तो ढेर सारा वायर निकलेगा. ये देखो, वायर दिखेगा अभी, राइट. सेम यहाँ से भी वायर निकलेगा. सी, right. So afterwards Dharmendra sir is having lots of work. Then after wind कर एक, and we'll make use this wire to make a solenoid. Okay. So this is how it will keep on going. આપણે પેલા કપ પર વીટી નાખો ને.
કપાટનું આવશે કે સર કાગળ પર પસાર કરી દીધું
આની પર વીટી નાખો.
ત્યાં પછી જરૂર પડશે તો
એટલે આવાથી પછી અનવાઇન્ડ કરી નાખો ને.
આપણે મેસેજ મેડમ
નહીં.
સંગીતા मैडम गीता मैडम है अनिल सर
હમ.
असिस्टेंट किशोर भाई
હા.
ठीक है किशोर भाई के मैंने फ़ोन
हाँ।
किया उन्होंने बोला कि आपका बाकी है पेंडिंग मैंने कहा ऑफकोर्स पेंडिंग होगा कल जो डिटेल्स नहीं मिला
हाँ. हाँ।
तो 11 बच्चों का बाकी था,
हाँ,
खोल के उसने दिखाया मुझे, राइट।
ये अच्छा है। हाँ
अभी एक स्टूडेंट बाकी है, 10 बच्चों
सर
का
दिखाई
उससे
नहीं दे
करवा
रहा
के
है वो।
हाँ,
10 बच्चों का उससे करवा के आई किशोर भाई से।
अच्छा,
अभी एक स्टूडेंट बाकी है।
कौन सा?
कोई श्लोक कोई है क्या?
श्लोक ठक्कर।
हाँ उसका बाकी है, बस वो हो जाए तो हमारा वो ग्रीन आ जाएगा टाइम से।
हाँ, Dharmendra sir is winding, so he is not in the scene. No, it is insulated wire. You see, it is not pure copper in color. It is not that bright. I'll scrap the insulation off, and then you will come to know actually exactly how it looks like. दो वायर आ गए अभी। इसको है ना, उसको कटर से काट डालो।
कहीं जगह
है बस। हाँ नहीं काटो। अच्छा हो जाएगा। साइड साइड बरोबर छो गवर्नमेंट वॉइस है।
गवर्नमेंट प्रोसेस
Yes, government.
हाँ
મેડમ આ ઠક્કરને ઘુમડ બરાબર છે જોઈ લો
you can see number of turns it is there.
શું વાંધો નીચે ચડાઈને આવ્યા
तो ऐसे भी interact करेंगे।
Okay.
મેડમ મારી
It's
પાસે
gone.
આટલી જ હતી
So it was broken. See,
જાઓ મને આપો
the wire should have continuous winding should have been there, but it is broken. Okay. Here it goes. એની સાથે બાંધો ગાંઠ મારતો એની સાથે દોરાની જેમ. Now see, winding is slowly getting reduced. Number of turns are less. हाँ, ये सेकेंडरी कॉइल का वाइंडिंग गया। ठीक है। હજી યાર અંદરનું પછી ખોલવાનું બાકી હજી એક કોઈલ નીકળશે ઓ બરાબર ક્લાસ સ્ટાર્ટ થવા દે એ લોકોને ચાલુ જ ખોલી 40 મિનિટ પતી ગઈ.
ત્રણ કોઈલ છે બે
બે હવે જે કોઈલ હશે નાની હશે. Who is having laptop? Who is having laptop? I'll make co-host. Who is co-host now? Darshan, check, you are co-host now. Okay, ठीक है. Okay, now could you see this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So secondary coil winding is gone. Now what left is primary coil winding. Okay. And more coil. You see that? उसके ऊपर भी प्लास्टिक चिपकाया है. And wire is very thin. So it is broken. ओके. उसमें बहुत ही पतला तार है, कटर से कट भी गया. There are so many tons of that as well. I have no choices.
चालू से
ચાલશે. So if you keep on unwinding, again there will be a huge wire and nothing else. Okay. So these are the hello. Yes. Good morning. नहीं वो फेमिता मैडम को दे दीजिए. हाँ, नाइन्थ का निमेश सर को. हाँ, निमेश सर. ये है, और वो जो रोल निकला, ये जो वायर निकला उसमें से इसमें, ठीक है, ये मिला के बनता है ट्रांसफार्मर. ओके. Now why arrangement is like this, we'll get an idea how the आज प्लेट છે ને થોડીક રાખજો, બાકી બધે જવા દેવું.
બધું જ રાખવું છે.
Okay, now why is it like arrangement is like E shape and I shape? What you want is an arrangement in which you have a coil here to which you will supply AC voltage. Now this means it is wound over iron material. Source is connected to a coil, so this is called primary coil. यहाँ पे I am showing less number of turns और यहाँ पर I may connect a lamp. So output is taken from this, so this is called secondary coil. If here turns are N1 and turns are N2, N2 is smaller than N1, तो यहाँ जो वोल्टेज आएंगे वो कम आएंगे, तो उसको बोलते हैं दिस होल ट्रांसफार्मर इज कॉल्ड स्टेप डाउन transformer. Now how it is made possible here? So let's say primary coil has got N1 turns and flux linked with each turn is phi1. Secondary coil has N2 turns and flux linked with each is phi2. Okay. Now do we know about mutual inductance formula? Hello, are we there?
Yes, sir.
ये था फॉर्मूला. क्या है ये फॉर्मूला? एप्सिलॉन एस मीन्स वोल्टेज डेवलप अक्रॉस सेकेंडरी इक्वल टू माइनस एन एस डी फाइव बाई डी टी.
મારે કશું મોકલવું હોય ટેસ્ટ તો અસાઇનમેન્ટના ફોર્મમાં મોકલું.
Do you get this formula? Now what is this d phi by dt? Small flux linked with secondary. S for secondary and P for primary. So flux linked with each turn is phi. So flux linked change in flux with every turn is d phi by dt. And when multiply with ns, that gives total induced EMF in secondary. Same here, get total induced EMF in primary. Okay. Instead of epsilon s, V is written, and instead of epsilon P, Vp is written. Okay. If I take ratio Vs by Vp, what I am left with is Ns by Np. So voltage developed across secondary, if you look at here, Vs by Vp equal to Ns by Np. Now the transformer which we opened, voltage across secondary was less than voltage across primary, because this was 9 volt and this was 220 volt. So for that, what they did, on iron cord they winded, and number of turns on secondary was less than number of turns of primary. Now primary you had many turns, so there was very thin wire of copper, right? Here you had less turns, so comparatively it was thick wire. There is one more reason also, but we'll discuss that later on. In short, if you make this arrangement, keep secondary turns of a coil less than the primary coil, then voltage across secondary becomes less than that of primary. This is called step down transformer. And reverse way, if you want secondary voltage more than primary voltage, then what you have to do, take secondary turns more in number than number of turns in primary. Okay, because why is it so? Because Vs by Vp equal to Ns by Np. It is also called transformer ratio R. Do you get it? So how it was been working, the moment you supply AC current to this produces change in flux. That gets linked with the secondary coil. Now whenever N2 will experience change in flux, it will develop EMF across it, which can be utilized to run a device. Reverse is also true. If I make this coil connected to a source, now this has become primary coil and opposite coil has become secondary. Now you connect a lamp here. So this has become step up transformer. Same transformer, here it is in step down mode, here it is in step up mode. You get it? Any question? Okay, so here I am stopping. I have got one more class, extra class. If you got any query, ask. Otherwise, I am terminating the meeting. Okay.